Okay, so I'm going to show how to use Notability on the iPad using an Apple Pencil to give a lecture or do office hours or discussions with your students. So I'm going to find here this app called Notability, bring that up. I'm going to go back to the initial screen here. And on Notability, I'm going to go to the top. There's the upper right corner, there's a symbol for downloading. So I'm going to hit that import download symbol and select Google Drive. When you do this, it will ask for your Google Drive credentials. And then once Notability is set up with Google Drive, you can use it easily in the future. So I'm going to pull up Chem 20 Spring 2020 and find our lectures. And I'm going to download, I don't know, lecture for module 5. So it's going to download the PDF. I will create a new note and import. So that's now imported the PDF into Notability, and it's stored in Notability in this window here of all of the notes. So you can see all the notes that you have here. I'm now going to select Chem 20 Lectures 2020, Module 5. It pulls up the note, and then I can find a page that I want to draw on. So maybe here I might want to make a note. I'll select the pencil, and on Notability I can write using the pencil. An important thing here, Notability defaults to using a variable width line. I think that's annoying, so you probably want to select, see there's a choice here, variable width or fixed width. I usually select the fixed width line, and I like writing in blue, so I'm going to write in blue. So now I can make a note. And I can write on this PDF. The annotations can be made here very simply on the PDF that I have. And then when I'm done, I can simply go to the upper left-hand corner here and export, send back to Google Drive, and I'll save it. And you can set the folder and do all these other options here. And then that will send this to Google Drive as a PDF, upload that. And then you can take that PDF from Google Drive and put it on your Canvas website or do whatever else you need to. A few other things to note here. You can select any of the notes that you have here, so I can move things around. I can delete things. If I write with the pencil, I can go back later and erase it. And if you set the eraser, you can control whether you want to erase the entire line stroke or just part of the line stroke. And there's also a convenient highlighter if you want to try to tell your students, hey, pay attention to this particular feature of the screen. So there's a lot of nice tools you can use here with Notability, and I hope that's helpful.